What's going on, guys? Cosmic Collector here, and today we'll be unboxing the Amazing Heroes Katsuki Bakugo figure. Alright guys, so in this video we'll be unboxing the Banpresto Katsuki Bakugo figure. This is the Amazing Heroes line, volume 14. Just a quick overview of the box. I actually got this figure on the Crunchyroll clearance sale. I got it for about less than $9, probably like $8.50 I think it was. I also got a Hawks one I'll be doing a video on next. Top. I'll just go ahead and speed through the unboxing. Now let's go ahead and do the assembly. The legs here will just peg into the torso. Pretty simple. Now the head will just peg in here. Stan just pegs into his back here. Very dynamic figure. Let's do a quick overview. The colors and detail are actually great. I've seen pictures of this one online, so I wasn't really sure how it would look in person, but it definitely looks great. Muscle shading and everything on the back. Very dynamic pose, looks like it's frozen in time. Captured his likeness, and the sculpt and everything's done really great. Got all the details on his costume. Grenades, the straps and pouches. All the sculpting and paint's done really well. I don't see any defects on here. I've seen a couple where these things came bent on video, so glad this one didn't come messed up. Alright, now for the size, maybe just under 21 centimeters. That's just about 8.5 inches. For size comparison, here it is next to a Funko Pop, next to a Funko N-Box, if that's how you choose to display it. Here it is next to the Age of Heroes Lemillion figure. Here it is from a different angle. And here it is next to the Vibration Stars KCM Naruto figure. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments what figure you'd like me to see unboxed next. And if you're not already, please subscribe.